Timothy Pychyl has been researching procrastination for more than 20 years, and in his book, Solving the Procrastination Puzzle, he describes exactly how you can stop procrastinating. But what is procrastination? Procrastination is the habit of seeking short-term mood repair when facing uncomfortable challenges. Instead of doing what you know you should do, you waste your time using social media, watching TV or mindlessly scrolling your phone. To solve this problem, Timothy Pychyl recommends making implementation intentions, and they work like this. You write down, if I feel like using social media, then I'm going to start cleaning. If I'm about to watch television, then I'm going to start exercising instead. If I feel like mindlessly scrolling my phone, then I'm going to start working. And now you might be thinking that you should just do it and feel like it all has to be done at once. But in the book, he recommends to just get started, because getting started is easy, and once you've started, it's easy to continue. And you may have to use some willpower to do this, but in the book, he says that willpower is like a muscle. It can be increased with exercise. So to recap, if you want to beat procrastination, you should make implementation intentions and just get started. And your implementation intention could sound like, if I feel like procrastinating, then I'm just going to get started. The book can be read in just 2 hours, so there's no reason to procrastinate on reading it. I've included a link in the description where you can buy the book, and if you want to have more quick insights on how to live a good life, then remember to subscribe.